Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD, the fiber for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of Euro, USD in front of us. And as you can see, that the last traded price of Euro Dollar is 1.0532. This is the last traded price here. But before I proceed with the charts and the levels, I would like to show you this. Stocks fall, yields rise as inflation data sends mixed signals. So I'm talking about PPI that came out on Friday. So US producer prices increase in November. Okay. As I already told you guys in my previous video, that usually increase in PPI signifies that the inflation is about to increase. Okay, so US producer prices increase in November. Rate hikes worries keep Wall Street under wrap. Crude price set for 10% weekly loss. Okay, as you can see, that Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay, fell by 0.90%. S&P 500 fell by 0.73% because of that. And if we look at the chart of DXY, okay, we saw some recovery. Okay, after the news, we saw some recovery on DXY, and DXY closed at 104.93 US dollar currency index. If you look at the overall trend of DXY, then undoubtedly DXY is very much under the dominance of sellers. Okay, but one thing that we need to focus here is DXY did not break the previous low here. If you look at the overall pattern of DXY, then we can clearly see that market is constantly forming lower lows. But this time, market did not form a lower low. Okay, it formed a lower high, means the market did not break the previous low here. Okay, it may be very simple for some few, but yes, it also carries some significance. So before the CPI, because the next week's CPI will be very important, CPI and the Fed's meeting. I think this is the biggest event before the Christmas. So before CPI, the previous low, okay, the previous low will now be acting as the new support for the market, 104.20, 104.15. And we can see the market, the DXY is still trying to recover. Okay, the buyers are still trying their best to take the market up. So on Monday, if they try to take the market up, if DXY goes for recovery again, the previous resistance of 105.50 will still be there, okay, to push the market down. Let's see how the market reacts. If DXY successfully breaks this level here, then it will be heading towards 107, 107.20. Okay, but DXY will at first have to cross 105.50. Okay, overall, the buyers are still very much present. We can see their intention. Okay, we can see their willingness to take the market up. Let's wait and watch. Okay, as we just read on the news article, that bonds, okay, bonds show an upside here, and this is the chart of US government bond 10 years. And we can see the bond market was also under pressure for the last couple of days and weeks, and yesterday it showed a good correction after the PPI. Now let's look at the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So too many lines on the chart, confused? Let me explain one by one. Okay, first of all, I would like to say that this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. And if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. After we are all students of the market, isn't it? So first of all, if we look at the daily chart, okay, 1-day chart, then we can see that oh, this is not a perfect wedge pattern, but yes, it very much resembles to a rising wedge pattern. And wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. And what I have observed here is that slowly the market is losing its steam, losing its strength. So in the coming days, there is a good possibility that market may go down as well. Market may show some downside as well, because we can see that market was bullish. Okay, undoubtedly market was bullish, but right now the market is losing its steam slowly. This is the 4-hour chart again. You can see the swings are getting smaller. Okay, the swings are getting smaller, and Overall, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then yes, undoubtedly the market is an uptrend. But if I ask you, my dear friend, what is the trend of Euro USD here? Or if I take you to the 1 hour time frame, and if I simply ask you, my dear friend, what is the trend of the market you see here? Obviously, you will not say that this is an uptrend market. This is a choppy market, sideways market. So yes, it was in uptrend, but right now the market is slowly losing steam. So as a result, okay, as a result, there's a possibility that next week market may show some downside as well. We may see market going down as well. And DXY did not break the previous low, and Euro USD failed to cross the previous high, which is also a very significant thing we must observe here. Okay, so sellers are slowly entering in the market, and they are trying to push the market down. So on Monday, after the market opening, observe the market. How is the volatility? In my earlier video on gold, I told the same thing, that after the market opening, your first job will be to observe the volume, observe the volatility, because you need to plan your trades accordingly. Usually, we do not see much volatility or volume in the first half, especially during the Asian session and European session. And if you see market falling or market coming down, you can expect the market to take support around the green box here, which is 1.0500 to 1.0480. You can expect the market to take support around this level. The reason is previous price rejection around the area, as well as we have the trend line. Keep in mind, this is a wedge pattern. This looks like a rising wedge pattern, and in wedge pattern we usually see market falling. We usually see market going down badly. But that's why I told you that volume will be important. If there is less volume, if there is not much volatility, then obviously market will not have the strength, the power to go for a breakout, because for a breakout we need volume. So if there's less volume, less volatility, then market may take support and bounce again for once or twice. Okay. If market bounces from here due to low volatility, you can go for a buy position. You can expect 25-30 pips in the first half. Okay, 25-30 pips during the first half of Monday is not bad, isn't it? In case market goes up, also market will face some selling pressure again around the previous high. Oh, and remember the resistance level I talked in my previous video. Okay, 1.0600 to 1.0630. In case market shows good amount of volatility, also volume also, then you can expect the market to face some selling pressure around this level. If market reverses, you can definitely go for the sell position. Okay, and before this, market will have to cross the previous high, which was around 1.0590, 1.0580 level. Okay, so volume and volatility will play a big role for you on Monday. And if market breaks the support here, okay, if market breaks the support of 1.0500 or 1.0580, the next support will be around 1.0400, 1.0430. Okay, this is the next support or the second support, and the third support is 1.0350. Okay, 1.0350. See, sometimes we get a breakout or we get a breakdown in the market, okay, but still market does not go for a clean fall, because we all know it very well. The market always move in a zigzag pattern if there is no news in the market. So if market starts falling also, obviously we will not see a single candle falling till here. If market wants to go to this level, market will go down in a zigzag pattern. So in each and every level, you can expect the market to go for a small bounce also. So that's why I have mentioned these two supports as well. But overall, you need to be very careful on Monday, okay, because because when there is not much volume in the market, we usually see false breakouts also. And as we all know, false breakouts are very dangerous. So my dear friends, follow proper risk management. That's it. And observe the market around each and every level, and then only take the decision. Again, I'll say volume or volatility play a big role. So please be careful. Bye bye. Take care.